Alright guys, so we have seen how we can embed an image on our page using img element inside HTML document or using background image property inside style.css file. Now let's see what are the different image formats that we can use on our page. Actually, images comes in various formats. Most commonly supported formats are GIF, PNG, JPG and SVG. And one of the most widely formats are PNG and JPG. The SVG is a newly introduced format which is a vector based image. Now let's see how we can use these formats inside our HTML document. So for that purpose, I've taken an index.html file with standard HTML document. Here we have style.css with few normal styles and our page looks something like this. So we are going to experiment different formats here. For that purpose, I have taken few different files also inside the media folder. These are the image files with different formats. We have PNG, JPG, GIF, SVG and another SVG file. So to embed an image, we will use img element that we already know. So img element, and inside the src attribute, we will define the path of the file. So let's go inside assets folder, then media, then let's experiment first Jiffy. And here let's say Jiffy. Now let's save our file, go to our page here, then give it a refresh. So here this is the Jiffy format. Usually you will find few motions here. The cat is playing with mouse. So this is the Jiffy format of the image. Now let's see another format. We'll take another img element. So assets, media, let's see football.jpg. Save it. Let's have a look. So here we have football.jpg. As img element is an inline level element, so we can see these two images are coming in a single line. Now let's see another format. So here let's define football. Now let's take another img element. Sets, media, let's see bullhorn. Save it, then give it a refresh. Okay, here we have that the bullhorn.png file. The PNG format is somewhat different from these two formats, that is JPG and GIF. So the PNG format has the ability to display transparent backgrounds actually. So we'll see how this PNG format will take the transparent background. So here, so let's wrap this PNG format inside a div. Okay, let's define a class here. img box. So here let's say let's define background color crimson. Now save it. Let's give it a refresh. Okay, as we can see, this format PNG format is taking the transparent background to the parent that we have applied, crimson background. It can take whatever the background color we will be applying to this parent. So let's say this, let's say somewhat different background color now. Let's say black. Save it, give it a refresh. Here we have any background. So it will take whatever the background color we will be applying to this parent, that is img box. Now say aquamarine, save it and give it a refresh. So here we have, this is the PNG format. So these are the three different formats, that GIF, JPG and PNG, that are used inside HTML or inside a web page. There is another format, that is SVG, which is a vector based image, that we will see in the next video in more detail.